All right, so what's going on, everybody? We're gonna do a review on this product right behind me. Is Meguiar's Quick Wax, Ultimate Quick Wax. We're gonna do a review on it. We're gonna look at how to use it, and then we're gonna see how it performs. Because even if it's easy to use and it doesn't perform, then it's garbage. So let's get straight into it. Let's see how to apply it. First things first, let's read the instructions. Here we go. What it says is no shade, no problem. Can be used anywhere, even in full sun. In just minutes, give results you'd expect with a liquid or paste wax. Spectacular shine, long-lasting protection, and relentless water beating. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Fast and easy to use. Okay, it says it's non-whitening formula. Ultimate Quick Wax is a clear coat, safe, and can be used on all paint types. All paint types. And with Meguiar's hydrophobic polymer technology, you give relentless water beating protection that lasts for weeks. I don't know about that. Let's see. Directions: shake well before use. Remove the red security clip from the sprayer by pulling down. There was no security clip on this. This is how it came, straight off the shelf. So that right there, you know, yeah. Anyway, it also says apply wet or dry. For a clean and dry vehicle, mist body panel and then wipe off. Repeat over the entire vehicle. For a wet vehicle, mist it entirely and dry as you normally would. For best results, use high-quality microfiber towels such as Meguiar's Water Magnet. We're not going to do that. This is a microfiber towel right here. It's a good quality. And, yeah, so there we go. Use it on airplanes, use it on exotics, use it on everything. It's good enough for our truck here. This is a silver factory paint F-150. Thing that this says to do is to just say shake well. For first use, remove the red security clip from the sprayer by pulling down. There is no security clip on this sprayer. It came like this, straight off the shelf in the store. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray it on. It says that it can be sprayed on any kind of paint, and it will not whiten anything like plastics and stuff. So let's go ahead and just get it to use. Here we go. I like using a little bit. I'm going to use a microfiber, fold it into fours, and then I'm going to wipe one side. Then I turned it over, wiped it with the dry side. Voila! What is the performance like? Well, we're about to see. I'm gonna get a bottle of water, I'm gonna dump it on here, we're gonna see how it beads. Give me just one sec. Did this section, here we go. So if you like this video and if it was helpful, be sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button,